Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will cover class and instance in Java. In Java, a class represents a real-world entity. A real-world entity is an entity with a physical location within the universe. For example, person is a real-world entity which have attributes name, age, and gender. Now, if we want to represent person as a class, we will create a class with name person and with attributes name, age, and gender. For example, we have two persons, Rohit and Susma, and we want to represent them in this class. So we will create two copies of the person class and we will assign values to name, age, and gender. The making of the two copies of the person class to represent particular two persons is called instance in Java. In Java, to create a class, we use the class keyword. The real-world entity attributes are called variables in a class. To create an instance of the class, we use the new keyword in Java and we could assign variable values like this. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.